Welcome back, everybody, to yet another short video of WGO. I am your host, Jacob Carlson, and today in this short video, I'm just going to talk about the weather. Because this past week has had the craziest weather I've seen in just the past few months now. Now, why is that? Well, first off, a solid week ago, like literally over 7 days, I it was in the 70s and 80s out here. I always wear a t-shirt and shorts out in the sun, so basically that's what the weather's been like for the past couple months during the summer. And only a few days ago, when it started to sprinkle and rain out, it rained for a solid 2 days just after the sun was out and everything, and it didn't stop raining for a long time. And the creek that we have out here in the woods finally got some water in it because of all the rain. So that was definitely a welcome sight for me in particular, because I thought the creek had completely dried up after all these months of not having water. So 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 there you have it on that. Also, what happened was that just these past few days, the leaves have just begun to fall down. Fall had finally kicked in for real, and the leaves have been falling all over the place. Like if you look at our front yard right now, it is littered. It is covered with leaves right now, and we're walking all over the yard, crunching away at the leaves, and just we haven't raked them up yet because of how sudden it was. Another example of how weather in the state of Arkansas can just hit you just like that, like a brick in the face almost. And speaking of being hit in the face in terms of weather, uh, the temperature dropped to through the 30s just last night, for instance, even below freezing into the 20s. And it was so sudden. We turned off the AC altogether. We brought the heater out. We brought all the heaters out, got all the extra blankets, and as you can see, I'm not just wearing a t-shirt right now. I am wearing my heavy jacket. That's how cold it is out right now. I don't know if you can see my breath right now because earlier this morning I can actually see my breath. That's how cold it is out here now. And this is how crazy weather in Arkansas can get. You can get, in some cases, 4 seasons in just 4 weeks, maybe even less than that. I've heard people either embellish or exaggerate the weather here, but in this case, it's not an exaggeration. In just a week's time, in just 7 days, it went from completely hot as a summer day, the sun out and everything, to all of a sudden raining nonstop, to where there was the water was in the creek after all these months of not having water. And then all of a sudden the leaves were falling down, and it was getting so cold it practically went below freezing last night. So in just a week's time, we went from summer to fall and then to winter. And only the next few months is going to be exactly like this, because this is usually the time of year when the winter weather truly kicks in for us here in Arkansas. So if you have a similar situation with extremes in weather and temperature swings as well, and just how beautiful the fall leaves are at this moment in time, please let me know down in the comments what you think about the extremes in weather anywhere in the world. So with that being said, my name is Jacob Carlson, and I am currently freezing right now. I'm going to go right back inside once this video is done, and I would ask that you please like the video, comment something you like or don't like, and if you haven't already, please press the red subscribe button if you want to, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a future upload on my video on my YouTube channel anytime soon. And as always, I would ask that you please take care of each other out there. Be nice to one another. Stay warm, stay safe. No matter where you are in the world, the weather can get pretty crazy. And as always, I will see you in the next couple of videos. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.